The handing over ceremony for the tents donated by the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, and the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, to the Ministry of Health to aid in the rollout of the country's vaccination drives took place on Wednesday. Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony, in his address at the ceremony, said that the tents will provide comfortable spaces for persons accessing the COVID-19 jabs.
Because we have been renting some tents and it can easily run into the millions of dollars.
Anthony also expressed gratitude to the government of the United States for extending a strong partnership with Guyana, especially in the fight against COVID-19. He added that UNICEF has been working with the ministry to extend coverage on the vaccination of children and continues to assist in other areas.
We have had a very strong partnership with the government of the United States, especially in the area of COVID-19. And, I keep saying it, that almost at every stage of the pandemic, we have received help from the U.S. government.
United States Ambassador to Guyana Sarah Ann Lynch said the handing over ceremony was the first public engagement under the USAID's vaccine assistance to Guyana through UNICEF. Also highlighted in her address was that the U.S. will continue to support the vaccination campaign being rolled out.
I'm very grateful to the minister and his leadership to encourage every Guyanese to get vaccinated, and the ministry's willingness to go where the people are. And as we all know, traveling in the hinterland is not always easy.
The ambassador also noted that this initiative will ensure that those vulnerable persons, including those with disabilities, financial constraints, and transportation limitations, will not be discouraged to receive their COVID-19 vaccines.
The United States is a partner in this regard, since the very essence of our vaccine support in Guyana is to ensure that there is equitable and equal distribution of COVID-19 vaccine to every Guyanese.
Nicholas Prawn, representative from UNICEF Guyana and Suriname, said that through the pandemic, the agency is fully committed to supporting Guyana.
We are committed to collective well-being of every Guyanese and every child in Guyana.
With over 100 vaccination sites across Guyana, the vaccination drive, which began in March 2021, a year after the first COVID-19 case was detected in the country, has seen a satisfactory turnout. Presently, 371,007 adults, or 72.3% of the population, have received the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, whilst 228,262 adults, or 44.5% of the population, have received both doses. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, Alana Nadir.